Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to book Virgin Atlantic flights using Delta Airlines Miles. First, browse the Virgin Atlantic website and enter your origin and destination airports. Next, select round trip or one way and select your travel dates and the number of passengers. Click the advanced search link, then select points under show price in. Then choose whether to search for economy or upper class seats. If you want to fly Delta First Class or Delta One aka Business Class, select upper class. Always click Show Flexible Dates to increase the chances of finding available awards. When ready, press the red circle with the arrow to start the search. By default, Virgin Atlantic's website will search 1 week at a time from 3 days before the date you pick to 3 days after. When viewing a single week of results, click on your browser's address bar to see the full URL. Find the words Flexible Dates and change it to Flexible Calendar, and press Enter. Now you'll see 5 weeks at a time and can click left or right to go back or forth a month at a time. Once you find a date that has award availability, click the link within that date and press continue to see available flights for that day. To book the flight, simply click on the award price next to the flight you want. This will then lead you through a straightforward checkout process. To learn more about the flight or flights before booking, click details. This shows you the specific flight number, aircraft, and more. To see available seats and seat configurations for a flight, click seats. If you are hoping for a Delta One suite for privacy, you'll have to look for another flight. Optionally, add your Delta number. After you receive an email confirmation of your booking, log into your Delta account. Now go to My Trips, find My Trips, and use the Virgin Atlantic confirmation number to find the flight. Next, you can modify the flight details, remove the Virgin Atlantic frequent flyer number, and then add your Delta account number. Then the flight will appear under My Trips on Delta.com. If the website only lets you choose to show the price in money and not points, pick points, and then return to a one-way or round-trip search. When entering your search criteria and you click on the destination box, a pop-up box opens to allow you to type the name of the airport you're looking for. Click Full Airport List and look for the airport that way. Now type the destination into the departure airport text box and then copy and paste it into the destination box. After that, simply type the 3-letter airport code into the destination box and then press the X to close the dialog box. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.